Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to help try and kickstart your day. This is your quote for today from Denise Brennan Nelson. Some day is not a day of the week. It's the answer you give yourself every day with that one question. When are you going to finally start that big project of yours? When are you going to go and start running every day? Going to the gym? Start a podcast? The list is endless. The point is, someday is not a day, even with the word day in it. Make someday today and start to make something special happen before someday becomes no day as you run out of time.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.